talked about understanding 20% of the functionality in order to produce 80% of the result. Well, this is probably the most important thing if you get nothing else out of this presentation. If you get nothing else out of this presentation, understand the importance of reconciliations, and here's why. A reconciliation is essentially making sure that all the data that's supposed to be in your accounting system is in, all the data that's in there is correct, there's no mistakes or typos, and that all the data that got duplicated or isn't supposed to be in there is out. That's the point of reconciling. And so if you do not reconcile, you cannot rely on the accuracy of the data that's in inside your accounting system. So we have tax professionals, and Rose, raise your hand, Rose. Rose is one of our tax professionals. Not all CPAs are tax experts, by the way. We have different disciplines, kind of like doctors. Not all of them do surgery. So some of us are experts in business accounting, others are tax experts, some do audit, and so forth. So Rose is a tax specialist here. And Rose, well, how do you feel about getting financials that are unreconciled? Can you prepare a tax return based on those financials?
No.
No. It's unreliable. The IRS actually requires tax and accounting professionals to reconcile the data and prove that that data is accurate in order to say that those are the numbers that are supposed to be in the tax filing. So this is critical. And if you want to apply the 80-20 rule in your business, you want to make it a practice to reconcile every single month. What are you reconciling? Virtually every account on your balance sheet gets reconciled. So you want to make sure that you have the proper mortgage balance at the end of the month. Then you want to make sure you reconcile it just the way that we did. So everyone understand the importance? Reconciliation is important? Absolutely.
Can I ask a quick question? Hopefully it's quick. I was scared about doing reconciliations. Whoever taught me this made me terrified of it. That if I made a mistake, I would totally screw up everything.
No, you can undo a reconciliation if you make a mistake.
Okay.
If you do not reconcile, your data is unreliable.
Okay.
It's that literally, I would never make business decisions on information that hasn't been reconciled. Won't even look at it. Okay? So, some of you are wondering, okay, well, we talked about things like this chart of accounts and monthly close checklist. A monthly close is an accounting process that you do each month to make sure that your information is complete, you've done everything you're supposed to do as an accounting or business professional, and we don't rely on ourselves to remember all these things, especially if you have multiple companies. So we have checklists, we have procedures, we have standard charts. If you're not sure, should I call it fuel or auto gas, or so we have some of these standard things. So if you want access to the things that we use for a lot of our clients, you can access all that on free tools. So if you go to our website, and you go to free tools, you'll be able to download these types of tools and tips as well as many other things. So you're welcome to visit